Hey, what is up you guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Shiro Cosmetics. To be honest, I may have already opened them, but I didn't swatch any of them. I promise. I waited to show you guys so that I could swatch them with you. But I blind picked most of these and I'm super happy with what I've got. So I'm really excited about swatching these with you guys today. So go ahead and stick around and we're gonna go ahead and get started. As always, if you don't like the video, then maybe something else I post will be for you. But until then, let's start the video. All right, so I've got two packages here from Shiro Cosmetics. Each of these samples was $1 and they come in little bags. I have 6 samples per bag, and then you get 1 free sample, and then they give you a little piece of candy, which is super cute. Alright, so let's start all the swatches. So, this one, this is Triforce. That's pretty. Maiden Queen. So let's use all the colors. Burn yourself at both ends. Zora Sapphire. Oh, that one's pretty. Oh my gosh. That's super pretty. Din's Fire. That one's super pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. I don't do pinks. Or like soft pinks like this. But I might have to make an exception with this one. That's gorgeous. Alright. And next, to complement Din's Fire, we're going to do Foxglove. That's Foxglove. That looks really pretty with Din's Fire. You've raised my frosty dander. Ooh. That's pretty. A Fell Voice on the Air. Oh, that's gorgeous. That blue to green shift. You know, I'm all about that for sure. Time for Truth. That's blue. Y'all, that's so blue. Dang. That's really bright. Okay, now we're gonna get into the darker colors. Lingered in Twilight. That's pretty. I've literally said that's pretty to every single one of these colors, but whatever. Alright, and this one, the last one of our eyeshadows is Have a Biscuit Potter. That has way more of a bright green shift than the other one. When I looked at these two, I was a little worried because they look very similar in the bag, but swatched, they look very different. Okay, Shiro Cosmetics, I see you. Okay. And now the part that I've been super excited about this whole entire time. I bought 2 lip gloss samples, and what caught my eye about these is the name and the packaging. So I don't have the full-size packaging, but I do have the names. So the first one is called Nick Cage Churning Butter One Crisp Thanksgiving Morn. And Nick Cage Being Birthed Amidst Sea Foam and Cerebum. Like, tell me if you saw those names, you wouldn't be like, I don't want to buy that. That sounds terrible. I wish you could see this better, but that one is Nick Cage Being Birthed Amid Sea Foam and Cerebum, and then this one is Nick Cage Churning Butter, I'm sorry. And the top one, I don't think you can see it, but there are some like small green and blue, I don't want to say sparkles, but it's more like a shimmer. They're really, really pretty. They don't really have a smell to them, which is completely fine with me. But the small samples are gonna cost you about $2, which isn't too expensive. And then some of these samples, if they're not discontinued, if they're discontinued, they're gonna be about 80 cents. These regular samples that aren't discontinued, those are gonna be about $1. I'm pretty sure the full-sized shadows were, I think, $6. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they were $6, and I literally just spilled a whole bunch of eyeshadow on my desk. And that is the video, guys. Just to let you know, I bought all of this with my own money. I'm in no affiliation with Shiro Cosmetics, even though I'd absolutely love to be. I am not in any affiliation with Shiro Cosmetics. I just decided that I love indie makeup and I wanted to go try these guys out. I'm such a sucker for geek and fantasy themed anything, so as soon as I saw any of this, especially the Nick Cage lip glosses, I had to have them. I buy samples for a specific reason. I'm going to do a separate video on that because I'm not going to get into it right now, but that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Ghoul Glam family, and don't forget to like this video. You can follow me on all social media. My Twitter is Spoopy Mama and my Instagram is Smallish Satan. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get some updates on when my videos come out, and if you don't, then that's okay. You can always go follow me on any of my social media and you'll always get updates there. Thanks, guys.